Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ownership or editor rights. Without them, you cannot force read-only. Once opened, click Share in the top right to access permissions. Make sure the sheet's visibility matches your goal, private, anyone with link, or your organization domain, because this determines who appears in the permission list. After that, pause and review listed editors. You'll change their role next to lock edits. This step establishes the baseline access before converting to read-only. Now change roles. You'll convert editors to viewers. Click the drop-down next to each person or group and select Viewer so they can only read. If the file is shared via link, change link access to Viewer to prevent anonymous edits. For tighter control, use Share with People to grant viewer to selected emails only. This removes edit rights but keeps access. Once done, make sure no service accounts or unpublished apps remain as editors, because those can still write to the sheet. Finish by enforcing protections and removing loopholes. Set protected ranges or protected sheets to block edits even if someone regains editor rights. Next, open advanced sharing options and disable download, print, and copy to reduce data exfiltration. If edits still occur, audit shared drives, connected apps, and Google Apps script triggers that may reapply changes. As a troubleshooting tip, if unexpected edits continue, check version history for the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.